AccuFit Solutions, Smarter Material Usage. This presentation of AccuFit Solutions 3D planning and nesting software will demonstrate the financial and operational information available to planners and manager users of AccuFit ASI 3D planning software.
If you are a current user of ASI 3D planning software or witnessed an AccuFit Solutions live demonstration or WebEx, then you have seen how the planning and nesting software technology will, 1. Improve the planner efficiency, speed, accuracy, and exposure to releasing bad cutting plans to production. You've witnessed how less scrap and fewer remnants will result from matching the best fit of inventory to each order and from combining and nesting orders from the backlog to each piece of material being planned to completely utilize the material. You have seen how AccuFit increases saw productivity by cutting all the material in one trip to the saw and completing multiple orders, and you have seen that AccuFit Solutions cutting plans are designed to consume all the material at the saws, so no material handling is necessary to return remnants back to inventory. These 5 features will optimize the operations to consume the least amount of material, labor, and overhead possible for each customer order and result in the highest margins possible at the date the orders were planned. Now, the next step to improve margins is to use AccuFit Solutions' powerful reporting capabilities to analyze the planner and operational performance. This AccuFit reporting tutorial will guide you to understand the reporting features so that the learning process and corrective action can be implemented based purely on factual data. AccuFit Solutions reporting will greatly enhance your financial reporting by clearly demonstrating the material, labor, and overhead required to produce each order. The material cost is captured as scrap cost, which is indicated on the scoring report, listing the quantity of pounds generated from each piece of material that was scrapped. The stats field indicates the amount of scrap for each piece of material, the area and the percentage of material lost for scrap, plus the kerf pounds, volume and area and percentage lost to kerf. The labor cost is captured in the quantity of heats required to be pulled and the quantity of pieces required, in this case 4, that had to be pulled from inventory, and the amount of remnants that needed to be returned back to inventory, captured by AccuFit as labor cost. The overhead cost is generated from the conversion of the blade distance required in the cutting plan, translated into run times based on each saw's speeds and feeds calculation. So in this case, there's 2 saws that were required to complete this cutting plan. One saw required 1 hour and 23 minutes converted based on the runtime, and the other required 2 hours and 31 minutes for a total of 3 hours and 54 minutes to run this job. When you add the material, labor, and overhead cost point deductions from AccuFit's score of 100, the result is a relative resource requirement to produce each order. So any combination of material matched to each order will generate its own score and can be compared to any other plan. AccuFit reporting demonstrates this data and can support the job costing accumulated from the ERP system. The difference is that AccuFit actually displays the estimated accumulated costs before the cutting plans are released to production, so poorly performing jobs can be avoided before they are produced at a loss. That's where the ROI comes from, the reporting. The AccuFit reporting screens are easily accessed from the planning screen by clicking on the reports header at the top of the screen. The header information includes 79 possible headings to include, sort, or exclude by choice. Simply click or unclick each of the heading titles you want to include in the report. It's that easy. The key headings are date, planner, score, job numbers, shape of the material, the alloy type, the material number, the reserved amount of pounds, the kerf weight, the scrap weight, the return to stock weight, the kerf value and the scrap value, and the yield percentages. The report can be run daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually by utilizing the date field. The report has the capability to add or subtract any and all header information the user wants to report. The report will sort from high to low or low to high, like if you, with a click of the header description at the top of the column. The report will export to Excel with the click of a button. If you want to graph the information or use additional analytics in Excel, you can design a preset report heading for consistent reporting using the Executed Plan Summary tab. You can display inventory on hand so that the planner does not have to leave the AccuFit environment and go into the ERP system to see what inventory is available. And all of this inventory has the same heading field, so you can sort by alloy type, you can sort by heat number, you can sort by size and shape, or any of the header fields that you choose to select from. This AccuFit reporting can be used to identify low score, low yield, high scrap, high resource jobs that were planned during any point in time. An example is, let's pick one day, March 18th. We're going to sort from on the scrap value from high to low. The top 5 or 6 jobs that generated the majority of the scrap for that day can be analyzed and drilled down into to get corrective action and determine what the causal reasons for that cutting plan being released to the shop floor. The whole idea behind using AccuFit Solutions reporting module is to drive improvement through the knowledge learned from experience. And potentially the report can be used very effectively to examine inventory balances and stocking levels for specific alloys at different periods of time to avoid the low score result from a lack of material on hand. Additionally, the AccuFit reporting can be run monthly, quarterly, or annually to demonstrate the total scrap, total kerf loss, and blade travel, and yield percentage for the period at the job number level. The totals can be used to either confirm or improve the job costing totals used for financial reporting.
AccuFit Solutions reporting is designed to drive continuous improvement and corrective action. Policies can be written to restrict low-scoring cutting plans from being issued to production. Inventory stocking levels can be increased on alloy types and sizes that match the demand on the backlog, and stocking levels can be reduced where demand is decreasing. The choice of saws can be analyzed to determine if the higher cost saws save enough cutting time to offset their higher cost of operation.
AccuFit Solutions answers the question, where and why was my margin lost?
If you'd like to learn more about AccuFit Solutions reporting, please contact us at 949-370-1363. Thank you.